Here we got an unrestored, could be a 61 Greenbrier Corvair work truck with the side opening. See how the ramp comes down like this? Now the Japanese had stuff like this for a long time. You know, they still have it. The low trucks where they can just open up the side and get in there. It's like a ramp truck. And you got your toolboxes in there. The engine's in the back, so you got a lot of traction.
That was the first.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the first.
A lot easier to work on that engine than some of the engines they got up in the vans. A lot more room too. So you got a lot of room up here in the front. You know, they wouldn't sell this today because you have the airbags. Always got a mag light in here too. Yeah, I guess your clutch linkage and whatever this has got, it's probably automatic though. It's probably an automatic. So your linkage for your throttle, it's got to go all the way back down that way. The guy remarked, I was thinking it was just, I didn't know what year this was. He said it was about a 61. I was thinking 65. He definitely says as much earlier than that. I'm not sure. I'm going to say it's a 61. It doesn't say up on the placard. But it's a nice truck. I mean, these are very, very practical. You can use these things forever. You're never going to, you know, I guess, you know, again, rust. And that's why they went away, rust. Once the metal goes away, there's nothing there to fix sometimes.